Looking for the best crypto app in the UK in 2026? These are our top 3 picks if you care about safety, fees, and actually being able to use the app without getting confused. And depending on whether you're a beginner, a long-term investor, or someone who wants lower fees, the best option for you is different. This ranking is based on the key things that actually matter in the UK: FCA registration, fees and spreads, security, GBP payment options, and overall ease of use. And number 1, we've got eToro. If you're a beginner in the UK, eToro is probably the easiest place to start. It's FCA regulated, the app is very simple to use, and it supports fast GBP deposits through bank transfer and debit card. What makes eToro stand out is Copy Trader, which lets you see and copy experienced investors automatically. This is a big reason it works well for people who are new to crypto, as you can see what crypto people are buying. And it also has a demo account so you can practice investing and trading without risk. It gives you access to more than 80 cryptocurrencies, plus staking on selected assets like Ethereum, Cardano, and Tron. And unlike some crypto-only apps, eToro also lets you invest in stocks and ETFs in the same platform, which is great if you want everything in one place. Now the downside: it's not the cheapest. eToro charges around 1% spread on crypto trades, there's a £5 withdrawal fee, and wallet control is limited because it's mainly custodial. So overall, eToro is good for beginners, casual investors, and anyone who wants the simplest all-in-one app. At number 2, Bitpanda. Bitpanda is a really strong choice if you want more asset variety and if you're thinking longer term. It's FCA registered for crypto asset activities in the UK, it has a strong security, and it supports more than 600 digital assets. What I like about Bitpanda is that it's still beginner friendly, but it gives you more flexibility. You get staking on over 50 assets, crypto indices for diversified exposure, and even a DeFi wallet if you want more control. It's also very accessible for UK users. Deposits can be made through bank transfer, debit card, PayPal, and Apple Pay, and minimums are low, with trades starting from just £1. The trade-off is fees. Bitpanda charges around 1.49% spread, so again, it's convenient and simple, but not the cheapest if low-cost trading is your main priority. So Bitpanda is best for beginners, long-term investors, and people who want a wide range of crypto in one app. And number 3, we've got Kraken. If your priority is low fees and security, Kraken is probably the stronger option here. It's FCA registered in the UK, and it has one of the best regulations in crypto security, and it uses things like cold storage, mandatory 2-factor authorization, and proof of reserves audits. Kraken supports more than 490 cryptocurrencies, and the big selling point is Kraken Pro. On the standard app, fees are higher, but on Kraken Pro, entry-level trading fees can be as low as roughly 0.25 to 0.40%, which is much better than most beginner-focused apps. It also offers more advanced order types, strong liquidity, and better tools for people who are a bit more serious about trading. The downside is that Kraken can feel more technical, especially if you're brand new. So while it's excellent on fees and security, it's not as instantly beginner-friendly as eToro, for example. So Kraken is best for security-focused users, more experienced traders, and anyone who wants lower-cost trading. So here's the simple breakdown. Go with eToro if you want the easiest beginner-friendly app, choose Bitpanda if you want the widest asset choice and long-term features, and pick Kraken if low fees and security matter most. And for the full detailed guide, check out the link below this video where we go over all the best UK crypto apps, including Coinbase, Crypto.com, plus fees, security, supported coins, payment methods, and which platform is best depending on your goals. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more.